Thomas Andress, independent contractor for Stevens Transport. Grew up here in Dallas. It feels good. It just feels like it's a completion of something. So my next goal is to make 1,000,000 miles, so I'm hoping I can get there. Lone Star in Houston. I'm a friendly person, so I got to know all the teachers and everything, and the head guy. And so I got lucky because I got to train on a stick, you know, on a standard, instead of having to do an automatic, so that made my license better. So they really helped out. Probably two things. One, when I started and I was actually out by myself, it was kind of a memorable deal to be by myself once I left the trainer. And today, I think it's really cool to be able to complete something. So. I have a good work ethic. I've always believed that if you don't get up over the morning and get ready to go to work, you're not going to work. So it just makes it easier to know that you're getting up, you know, you have a time, you're getting up, you're going to work. And it makes it easier to get through the day. My main thing right now is my daughter. She just had twins at Christmas, which gives her 5 kids now. And so my focus is, you know, speaking with her and talking with her every day. I really like to play golf when I'm off. I used to be pretty good at golf, but now being on the truck, you don't get to play as much, so it makes it a little harder. I like the state of Utah and out that direction because it's very pretty. And growing up here in Texas and everything, well, we don't necessarily have mountains, so that's really cool. I don't like snow when it's out there, but I mean, other than that. The thing that I tell everybody that asks me about being a contractor, I tell them there's 3 things. It's fuel, fuel, fuel. I necessarily don't do a trip plan to go from point A to point B, but I do set up and know where I'm going to get fuel at the cheapest between those 2 points. And I make a point to be able to stretch it out to get to where I want to be to try to save as much money as I can.